Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024 BMW Z4. In the realm of luxury sports cars, the BMW Z4 has always stood out for its blend of sophistication and exhilarating performance. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the all-new 2024 BMW Z4 emerges as a frontrunner among the best in its class, promising to redefine the driving experience with its exquisite design and thrilling performance. The 2024 BMW Z4 arrives with a fresh design language that exudes elegance and athleticism from every angle. Its sleek silhouette, sculpted lines, and aggressive stance make a bold statement on the road, commanding attention and admiration wherever it goes. From its signature kidney grille to its sporty rear diffuser, every detail is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of luxury and excitement. Under the hood, the 2024 Z4 boasts a range of powerful engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder variants, each delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and finely tuned suspension, the Z4 offers precise handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to navigate twists and turns with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 BMW Z4 also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a range of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the BMW Z4 represents the epitome of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its striking design, legendary performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 BMW Z4 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.